Oh no! The yellow school bus arrives in exactly 5 short minutes today. My final math exam paper is inside that missing school bag, Anna. Where is it? Do not worry, little brother. The backpack search squad is officially active. Goo-goo! Blue box goes fly-fly in the backyard mudgrass, Lucas.
Toby took it. He used my bag for a crazy morning sandbox game.
Search the dark couch gaps. Maybe the bag slipped under the fabric springs. Nothing here but dusty old television remotes and a plastic toy dinosaur.
Squawk! Blue bag on the roof. Lucas is gonna be late.
The bird knows the secret location. Talk to us, funny feather monster. I will bribe the bird witness. Tell us where the bag sleeps, parrot.
Look high! Look up at the giant wooden attic trapdoor ledge. Squawk!
It is way too high. My short arms cannot reach that ledge.
We will build a high-velocity cushion trampoline to launch your body up. Are you sure this is safe, Anna? Gravity is very powerful today. Yes, Lucas, it's perfectly safe, but it's so high. You can do it. Bounce high. Fly into the sky like a real space rocket man. He is soaring. Extend your fingers wide to grab the bag handles.
Oof. Gravity won the race. The floor carpet caught my bottom safely.
Lucas fell down like a heavy potato. Try the sticky wall shoes. Toby is right. We can use suction force to climb the wall. I am the human lizard captain. Watch my feet grip the wooden paint. The rubber creates a perfect airtight vacuum seal against the wood wall. How? The vacuum force is defeating gravity completely. Keep moving your legs, Lucas. Splash the lizard. Make the green shoes slide down to mud.
The suction power is dead. I am sliding down the wall.
Safe arrival inside the clean white sock basket, little lizard brother. The time is 7:58 a.m. 2 short minutes remain before failure.
Clear the driveway gate. The morning bus is stopping right now.
Time for the ultimate remote control aerial lasso rescue execution system, Lucas. Wow. Let's go! The flying lasso loop is secure. Launch the drone motor's maximum speed. Fly up high, drone. Capture the blue bag from the top shelf. Align the loop. Slide the plastic circle over the backpack zipper top. Got it! Pull the joystick lever back to drag the cargo down. Ah!
It is moving! The bag is flying across the living room air.
Open your arms wide, Lucas. Catch your math homework right now. Direct hit. I have the final exam paper in my hands, family. The math papers are completely dry and clean. No mud damage inside. Mission accomplished with exactly 1 short minute left on our countdown clock. Toby found the ticket card. Run out the front screen door fast. You two are the grandest and smartest rescue squad in the world. Good luck on your final math exam, Captain. Ace those fraction numbers. Focus your brain, Lucas. Solve these fraction puzzles one by one, carefully. Multiply the top, flip the bottom. The math trick works perfectly here.
Pencils down, class. Please hand your finished test sheets to the front.
Every single answer is complete. I did my absolute best today. I am home, family. Open the wooden kitchen door for the winner. Welcome home, son. Tell us the results of your math battle. 100% correct. Oh, that's amazing, Lucas. The top score of the whole school class. Yes, the top score. Hooray! The drone lasso rescue saved the day and your grades, Lucas.
Look at my strawberry horn. I am a red cupcake monster, Mom.
You three can turn any scary morning panic into a beautiful victory.
From now on, my bag stays locked right here near my shoes.
Smart choice, Captain. No more high-shelf climbing games, Squawk.
Let us install a safety locking strap over the backpack hanger hook. This latch requires 2 fingers to press. Toddler hands cannot bypass this. The blue bag is sleeping tight. I cannot pull it down, Lucas. You're right, Toby. It's very strong. The backpack boundary wall is officially secure against sneaky morning toddler raids.
Time for a delicious hydration break for my excellent safety engineering team.
Our hallway is now the most secure school bag vault in town. The countdown clock lost the race because our teamwork was too fast.
Planning ahead is the ultimate secret weapon for any big morning mission.
Ha 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 ha. Time to review my homework early so morning is perfectly calm, Mom. Drone rescue capsule is fully recharged and resting on the safety shelf desk. The truck is carrying my blue socks to the bedroom station, Lucas. Here it comes. Good job. Look, Lucas, I got a star for my drawing. Yes, Anna, and I scored the winning goal today. The school bus card ticket is inside my zipper pocket right now. Everything is organized. The morning chaos monster will never catch us again. Sitting here on the couch cushion mountain is the best party ever.
Rest your brains, heroes. The big math battle is completely won, Squawk.
Eat this warm dinner fuel to keep your muscle engines strong tonight.
This hot potato soup smells completely mouth-watering and wonderful after a long day. It is 8 p.m., time for the official night pre-pack backpack inspection drill. Books are inside, pencils are secure. Zip the nylon lines closed tight. Locking device engaged. The backpack vault is officially sealed for the night. Click, click. Toby is checking the lock. The bag is sleeping safely. Good job, Toby.
Pre-packing at night saves your mind from early morning panic mistakes, children.
Pass is ready, shoes are lined up. The morning bus won't wait. Our packing speed time is exactly 45 seconds now. A total record. No more running like a crazy lizard through the house hallways tomorrow. The clock is our friend when we prepare our gear with care. Being organized makes me feel like a real professional team captain, Mom. That's great, sweetie. Good morning, family. The countdown clock says exactly 7:30 a.m. right now. Look! My blue school backpack is sitting exactly where I left it. No cushion jumping or wall climbing needed today. We have zero panic.
Goo-goo, clean breakfast time. The blue bag belongs to school today.
Here is your lunch fuel, Captain. Enjoy your calm morning walkout.
Thank you, Mom. Having an organized house makes the day so beautiful. Hey, John K. Good morning, Lucas. The gate lane is completely clear for you.
Good morning.
Excellent. Come on aboard, son. Have an awesome day at school, little brother. See you at noon.
A little bit of preparation turns a disaster into a peaceful story.
Our system works perfectly. The backpack hunt is permanently finished, Toby. The big sun is setting. Time to return to our indoor base. Your exam paper is safe, and your school bag is perfectly secure. The toy block is resting next to my small red wagon, Lucas. Mom, why do the silver stars twinkle so brightly in the night? They twinkle because of the air, Lucas. Light from the stars travels.
The starlight moves through moving air wind, which shifts its direction.
Good night, twinkling wind stars. Good night, giant space rocket chalk drawing. Vroom.
The manual lock is locked tight. You are perfectly safe, my love.
Good night to the smartest big sister who built the drone lasso line. A simple morning backpack hunt can teach a whole world of love.